Hi. So for this one, it's John finances his daughter's education by making deposits into a fund earning interest at an annual effective rate of 8%. Okay, and for 18 years he deposits X at the beginning of each month. Okay, well, he deposits X at the beginning of each month, but we have an annual effective rate, right? So let's first convert the annual to monthly. That's the first part that we're going to have to do. Now it says in the 16th through the 19th year, he makes a withdrawal of 25,000 at the beginning of each year. The final withdrawal reduces the fund balance to zero. Okay, well, let's see. So basically at the beginning of each year, so 16, 17, 18, 19, so they're going to be four with amount of withdrawals, right? So it's going to be 2,500 withdrawals. Is always a present value concept at the beginning for 4. It's annual, right? Each year, so it's going to be at 8%. Now, another thing is that from 16, so for John's case, it says that he deposits, so the final withdrawal reduces the fund balance to zero, right? So that means that we want to set this equation equal to the fund balance, right? To equal 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to take John's deposits of X at the beginning of each month, monthly, right? So 12 times 18 is 216, and 8 is divided by 12. No, we have to get the monthly rate, so it'll be 1.08 to be 1 over 12 minus 1, right? So then it's gonna be 0.6434%, right? So we are making these withdrawals to make this fund balance 0. So we're going to set both of these equal to each other, but this type of deposit, no, these types of withdrawal randomly occurring in between 16 and 19th years also has to be discounted back 15 years, just so it can be equal to the present value of what we're depositing. Why? Because once we make these withdrawals, it's going to make this fund balance 0, which means that we need to make both of these equations equal to each other. So now what we're also going to do is we're going to find what X is equal to, right? So I'm going to get rid of the do, and I'm going to multiply it by 1.08, and then get rid of this do. I'm gonna multiply it by 1.006434. Now I'm gonna do 25,000 times 1.08. It's gonna be 27,000. So 27,000 payment for a number of years, 8, interest rate 0, compute present value. So it's going to be 89,427.42. Now I'm going to discount that by 15 years by using the 8% effective. That's gonna be 2819.25.235. Now, what I have here is this equation, right? So I change it to intermediate. I'm going to make this the payment amount and do 1.006434. Payment amount, 216 as the number of payments, 0.6434 as the interest rate, 0 as future value. I'm going to compute the present value. It's going to be x times 117.28. Now we're going to calculate x. So we divide this by 117.28. And we get 240.37 as the answer, which makes C the answer.